factory of 432. So 432, it can be written as 2 times 216. 2 times 216 means 432. 216, it can be written as 2 times 108. 2 times 108 means 216. 108, it can be written as 2 times 54. 2 times 54 means 108. 54, it can be written as 2 times 27. 2 times 27 means 54. 27, it can be written as 3 times 9. 3 times 9 means 27. 9, it can be written as 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 9. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is these all 2 and 3. So we can write 432 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these all 2 and 3. So this much for today and thanks for watching.